original rehearsal. Welcome. I heard it once, I heard it twice, heard it 3 times, I say it again. I heard it on the radio, read it in the newspapers, I seen it on the television. Oh no, I don't know anymore. What's true? What's real? I don't know. I think this is an illusion. I can't imagine this happening. Like an illusion. It feels so real. What's real? What's real? What's real anymore? Feels like an illusion. It is? It's an illusion? This is an illusion. It is an illusion? This is an illusion? And this is not real? Oh no! Hey! Get this! I heard it twice. I heard it 3 times. I'll say it again. I heard it on the radio. Read it in the newspapers. I seen it on the television. No. I don't know anymore. I don't know. I think it's an illusion. I can't imagine it happening. It seems like an illusion. Feels so real. What's real? What's real? What's real anymore? Feels like an illusion. This is not real. This is an illusion. This is not real. This is an illusion. This is not real. Thank you, everybody. Barbara Campbell, independent digital creator, producer, coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you, my fans. I appreciate you all around the world, my supporters. Thank you. Thank you. You're making this happen. Thank you. Today I wrote a song.